tile, $2.49 a square foot. Full-body Italian porcelain, $1.49 a square foot.
Captain Tony feeding them the walnuts, the birds. They love them, huh?
Guarantee the lowest prices or your tile is free.
Yeah, with a walnut mango? Good boy. God wants his core. They love walnuts. It probably cost $5 to $10 a day just to feed.
Now, if you gave them with the shell, would they be able to get it open, Tony? No, right?
No, they like to. So they got to break them because then they waste them. But then, you know what? A lot of things they waste and drop on the ground. We go through a lot of them.
Oh, they're walnuts.
I don't know which one it is. Tony's got a pocket t-shirt on with a cigarette pack in there. Runs right down, picks the cigarette pack open, pulls on the cigarette. I'll show you. Watch. I'll do it with me. I don't have a pocket. No.
I gotta see this.
I don't have my pocket key, but I'll let you do it. I'll hold it.
Yeah, pick it up.
He'll eat it. Coconut. Come here, baby. Come on, coconut. Daddy's got a cigarette. Watch him pull the cigarette out and hold it.
What's this notice I just got? The notice that says I can't park my service truck in front of your house?
Oh, it's that dark.
Won't take him long.
The notice is your handwriting, Mom.
I believe this.
Watch, he's going to take it out and hold it just like I was holding it. Then I grab it with his foot and he holds it with his foot.
Oh, okay, so to make my mother happy, maybe I should just paint varsity on my truck.
See, Mango wants it also. He's a cigarette guy.
He's a smoker also.
System will save you money. Eliminate most
He will not stop till he gets that.
the life of your equipment. Call Varsity Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling.
Look on Angelo's amazed.
Oh,
no, he's almost there.
Have to walk to your house?
Oh, the cigarette? He's gotta get the cigarette.
What?
Varsity. Better, cleaner, faster.
Now you see them fight. Watch.
If you depend on prescription opioid painkillers or heroin,
Who gets one first?
you may ask yourself how did I get here?
See, the guy on your left is mine. He's like, I'm his master.
Okay.
I was just like you and I found it. At turntohelpnow.com. At turntohelpnow.com, I learned about different ways to get help, including booze in a private setting without the need for daily visits.
Getting
Find
there.
your courage and go to turntohelpnow.com.
The cigarette's off to the side, so he's got to like keep
He's got a
ripping.
lot of ripping.
He sees it now. Watch. It's only a matter.
Maybe it's the deep amber color.
There you go. Look at this.
Or maybe it's just a fruit.
You're right.
When do you crave refreshing iced tea? Twisted tea with snow. The next time you want that
Can't eat him. Look again. Look. Can I have that cigarette? And he won't let me have it. They yell at me and fight me and chew me up. Come on. Can I have that cigarette back? You want a light?
Cool bird.